How to fix session expired error in Fall Guys. Now the first method is simply restarting your PC. If that doesn't work, simply verify the files. You can do this by going on to Epic Games, going in your library, searching for Fall Guys, clicking the three dots here, click Manage and Verify Files. If that doesn't work, go on the Windows search bar, type in CMD, right click on the command prompt and click Run as Administrator. Click Yes, and here type in ipconfig /flush DNS, then type in ipconfig /register DNS, then type in ipconfig /release, then type in ipconfig /renew. Once that is done, type in netsh space winsock space reset and click enter, and the problem should be fixed. If it's still not fixed, go on to control panel, in the top right corner type in network. Under connections, click this, go on properties, internet protocol version 4, double click that, select use the following DNS server addresses and type in 8888 and 8844. Click yes. And that's how to fix the session expired error in Fall Guys.